Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious quiche Lorraine using an easy method. First, let's prepare the crust. You can save time by using a pre-made pie crust. Simply press it into a 9-inch pie dish, ensuring it fits snugly. Then, blind bake the crust for about 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This step helps prevent a soggy bottom, giving your quiche a perfect foundation. Now, let's get to the heart of our quiche, the savory filling. Start by cooking about 6 slices of bacon until they're perfectly crispy. Once cooled, crumble the bacon into small pieces. Next, grate 1 1/2 cups of delicious Gruyere cheese. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream. Season this mixture with a pinch of salt and black pepper. With our ingredients ready, it's time to assemble our quiche. Evenly sprinkle the crumbled bacon and grated Gruyere cheese into your pre-baked pie crust. Then, carefully pour the egg and cream mixture over the bacon and cheese, making sure everything is well distributed. Bake your quiche at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes, or until the center is set and golden brown. Once your quiche is out of the oven, resist the urge to cut into it immediately. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes. This allows the filling to set properly, ensuring clean, beautiful slices. Serve your warm quiche Lorraine with a simple green salad for a complete and satisfying meal. It's perfect for brunch, lunch, or a light dinner. Remember to check the description below for a fantastic eau à la water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.